Hi guys, in today's video I want to discuss with you how you can apply to ModSquad. If that is something that you are interested in, then this video is for you. Okay guys, now before I start with the application, I first want to give you some background about the mods. They say here, what's a mod? The mods are pros in CX services. They're on the CX front lines delivering the best customer and community experiences for the greatest brands in the world. Mods provide customer support and their social media. The mods are everywhere. You'll find the mods answering phone calls and texting with customers. You'll find them moderating posts on forums or online reviews. They could be monitoring images, videos, or live streams. They might be chatting in game or play testing the game. Wherever you find customers, communities, or content, the mods are there. And you'll find them all over the world in 90 countries speaking over 50 languages. There's always a mod close by when you need one. The mods are amazing. Chances are, if you've ever received exceptional customer support, enjoy great content, joined a vibrant community, or had a great social media experience, it was the mods behind the scenes making it happen. Mods are the CX world. Mods make the CX world a whole lot groovier. Now, here they say reasons you love being a mod. You control your own journey. As a freelance contractor, you're in charge of your business. Work remotely. As long as your workspace is private, secure, and noiseless, and works for you, it works for us. They also say here, pick your own projects. You choose what you want to work on based on your interests, passion, and knowledge. And I like that you have this type of freedom. They also say set your own schedule. You pick the times that work best for you and the amount of time you want to work. Keep your day job. Our network is teeming with moonlighters, enterprising stay-at-home parents, students, and retirees. Work with amazing companies. Our clients are the coolest brands in the world, from gaming to e-commerce to entertainment. They also say work with amazing people. And lastly, here, give back. If I go down a bit here, they say join the mods. It all starts with this application. Okay, guys, over here is the application form. They say a mod contractor, remote USA. Join the mods, new mods contractor hybrid. They say first up here, you need to attach your resume or CV, put in your full name, email, and phone. You can also add your current location and current company. The links that you can share here is your LinkedIn URL. Now, first up here, they give you the location and language questions. What is your primary native language? You can just select one of the options from the list right here. They also tell you here what other languages do you speak fluently. For international applicants, what is your legal country of residence where you pay your taxes? You can just select your country from the list that they give you here. Also here for US applicants, you are a legal resident of what state? Where do you pay taxes? Are you 18 years of age or older? It's either yes or no. Are you legally authorized to work in your country of residence? Also, again, either a yes or no answer. Here they say, will you now or in the future require sponsorship for employment visa? Obviously, the answer may differ for everyone, so this will largely depend on you. Now, here they say, in order to work on ModSquad projects, you must possess a current operating system that is receiving security updates from this list. Which do you have? Microsoft Windows version 8.1 through 01 2023 or version 10 recommended. Apple macOS High Sierra through 09 2020 or Mojave through 09 2021 or Catalina is recommended. Here they say other option that you can also choose is I do not possess either one of the above. but I will purchase the appropriate level of equipment within 1 week of application acceptance. Now, next up here is experience. Please tell us more about your experience. What types of work have you performed in current, previous positions? You can select all of the options that are available that you have done in the past. Emails, ticket support, inbound call support, outbound call support, live chats, inbound messages support, moderation, social media engagement, tier 1 support, or tier 2 support. Next up here, mod contractor, 10 questions. Describe in English in detail what appeals to you about contracting with ModSquad. Write a full paragraph. This can be anything like you like to work with people, or you like to help people find, solutions to problems that they may have. Anything like that. Also, tell us about your experience in a work from home environment. If you have ever worked from home, you just need to tell them maybe the type of job that you did, or how it was for you. Anything that is related to your experience in a work from home environment. Here they say in a short paragraph, please tell us more about your experience with customer support, moderation, and or social media. So if you've ever had experience in either customer support, moderation, or social media, you can just, describe it here in a short paragraph. Now, lastly, also they say English language proficiency. Please rate your English language writing proficiency. It's either native, near native, fluent, advanced, beginner, or none. You can either select the option from here. This is one of those questions. It would depend on you and your own experience. The same with the next one. Please rate your English language speaking proficiency, either native, near native, fluent, advanced, beginner, or none. Now, here they say additional information. Add a cover letter or anything else you want to share. Here they say US equal employment opportunity information. Completion is voluntary and will not subject you to adverse treatment. Our company values diversity to ensure that we comply with reporting requirements and to learn more about how we can increase diversity in our candidate pool. We invite you to voluntarily provide demographic information in a confidential survey at the end of this application. Providing this information is optional. It will not be accessible or used in the hiring process and has no effect on your opportunity for employment. You can either put in then your gender, your race, as well as your veteran status. Now, here they say by applying for this position, your data will be processed as per ModSquad privacy policy. Before you submit your application, I do recommend always, you read through any website's privacy policy. If you're happy with that, you can then just click here on submit your application. Okay guys, so in today's video, I showed you how to apply here on ModSquad. This can definitely be an interesting way for you to earn some money online, in my opinion. Now guys, as I always say in all my videos, please do your own research first before you sign up to any website or app that I mention here. Now guys, with that being said, I do hope that you have found value in this video. Please do consider liking and subscribing for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.